We are cooking lemon pepper chicken. For lemon pepper chicken, we need a pan. In that, we will add about 100 grams of butter with some sliced garlic, and we need chicken cut in cubes. It is half breast. In order for my butter not to burn, I will add a little bit of oil. After my gingers have been sauteed, I will add some garlic, chopped garlic. Now I will add in my chicken. Saute it completely, very nicely. After my chicken has been completely sauteed, it has changed its color. It is quite firm now. It has been about 5 minutes since I am cooking it. I will add in half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Pinch of salt more. Yeah, good. We will cook it for some time. Next, I will add in 1 tablespoon of chicken stock and then some water, about a cup or so. Now I will add in my corn flour slurry for this to thicken. Give it a whisk. Not thick yet. Doesn't need to be very thick. I think this is okay. Now I will add in my lemons. They are about 3 lemons. Have been cut in 4 slices. Lastly, we will add in green chilies. And our lemon pepper chicken is ready.